Hello students, in this lecture we shall learn some applications of principle of mathematical induction to matrices. Let's first recall the principle of mathematical induction. Let Pn be a statement involving natural number n. First, we verify that statement is true for n equals to 1. In next step, we assume that statement is true for n equals to k. In third step, using the assumption, we prove that statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. Let's discuss one question. In this question, A is a matrix of order 2 with elements cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. We have to prove that A raised to power n is a matrix with element cos n theta, sin n theta, minus sin n theta, cos n theta. We shall prove the result by using principle of mathematical induction. First, verify that result is true for n equals to 1. For that, put n equals to 1 in A raised to power n and its matrix. We observe that it is equals to given matrix A as shown here. So, result is true for n equals to 1. Now, we assume that result is true for n equals to k. It means for given matrix A raised to power k is a matrix with elements cos k theta, sin k theta, minus sin k theta, cos k theta. Now, using the assumed result, we shall prove that result is true for n equals to k plus 1. Let's start with A raised to power k plus 1. A raised to power k plus 1 can be written as product of A raised to power k and A or product of A and A raised to power k. In place of A, write the given matrix, and in place of A raised to power k, write the matrix from assumption. As both are square matrices of same order, that is 2, so product of these two matrices is defined and it is also a square matrix of order 2. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown here. In next step, using the formulas of cos of A plus B and sin of A plus B, we get a matrix with elements cos of theta plus k theta, sin of theta plus k theta, minus sin of theta plus k theta and cos of theta plus k theta, which is equal to required matrix. Therefore, the result is true for n equals to k plus 1. So, by principle of mathematical induction, we have proved that result is true for all natural numbers. Let's take one more question. In this question, A is a given matrix of order 2. We have to prove AI plus BA whole raised to power n equals to A raised to power n into I plus n A raised to power n minus 1 into BA is true for all natural numbers, where I represents the identity matrix of order 2. We shall prove the result by using principle of mathematical induction. First, we verify that statement is true for n equals to 1. For that, put n equals to 1 in the left hand side and right hand side of the statement as shown here. After simplifying right hand side, we get left hand side equals to right hand side. So, statement is true for n equals to 1. Now, we assume that statement is true for n equals to k. So, we get AI plus BA whole raised to power k equals to A raised to power k into I plus k A raised to power k minus 1 into BA. Now, using this assumption, we shall prove that result is true for n equals to k plus 1. That is, AI plus BA whole raised to power k plus 1 equals to A raised to power k plus 1 into I plus k plus 1 into A raised to power k BA. Let's start with left hand side, that is AI plus BA whole raised to power k plus 1. Write it as AI plus BA whole raised to power k multiply with AI plus BA. Now, we replace AI plus BA whole raised to power k with A raised to power k into I plus k A raised to power k minus 1 into BA. Multiply it with AI plus BA as shown here. We get 4 terms. Simplify these terms, multiply the scalar with scalar and matrix with matrix. We get A raised to power k plus 1 into I square plus A raised to power k into BIA plus k A raised to power k into BAI plus k A raised to power k minus 1 into B square A square. As we know, multiplication of identity matrix with itself is equal to identity matrix I itself. Multiplication of I and A equals to A, and multiplication of A and I is also equals to A. For A square, take product of matrix A with A itself as shown. It is equal to null matrix O. Now we get A raised to power k plus 1 into I plus A raised to power k into BA plus k A raised to power k into BA plus k A raised to power k minus 1 into B square multiply with null matrix. Product of null matrix with any scalar is equal to null matrix, and we know that addition of a matrix with null matrix is equal to given matrix itself. So after simplification we get A raised to power k plus 1 into I plus k plus 1 into A raised to power k into BA. This is the required right hand side. So the result is true for n equals to k plus 1. It means statement is true for all natural numbers. Students, now we shall discuss one question based on the formulation of word problems in the matrix form and then solving it using properties of matrices. Read the statement carefully and collect the information. In this question we have two families A and B. In family A we have 6 men, 5 women and 2 children. In family B we have 3 men, 3 women and 4 children. The recommended daily requirement of proteins is for a man 70 gram, women 50 gram and for child 30 gram. And requirement of carbohydrates is for a man 500 gram, women 400 gram and for child 300 gram. We have to calculate the total requirement of proteins and carbohydrates for each of the two families. We can represent the given family information as the following family matrix of order 2 by 3. As you can see, in first row of matrix we have written members of family A, and in second row we have written members of family B. Similarly, we can represent the given nutrient requirement information as the following requirement matrix of order 3 by 2. Now, the matrix of total nutrient requirement can be obtained by multiplying the family matrix and requirement matrix. Here, family matrix is of order 2 by 3 and requirement matrix is of order 3 by 2. So, their product is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown here. We get a matrix with elements 730 and 5600 in first row, 480 and 3900 in second row. The total requirement of proteins and carbohydrates for family A is 730 gram and 5600 gram respectively, and total requirement of proteins and carbohydrates for family B is 480 gram and 3900 gram respectively. Students, we have discussed all the concepts related to matrices. I hope that you have understood all these concepts. Now, Try to solve questions of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 3. For any query, you may contact me at anu.maheshwari75 @gmail.com. Thank you.